Hey guys, this is Jeffrey with Forever I Trade, and we are looking at the MNQ. It is 9:52 a.m., February 12th, 2024, and we're gonna see if we can make a couple of good trades here. Obviously, at the open, skyrocketed, came back down. Nice short here, came back up. Nice short would have been here. So let's see now if this wants to jump back up or if it wants to come back down. It's kind of hard to tell right now. But if you're looking at the market, be careful, protect your capital, and trade with some insight, right? You know, a little edge, look at strategy, wait for your setup. If you don't see it, don't rush it, right? We're trading for about maybe 30 minutes or so, and hopefully there will be at least something that pops up within this 30 minutes. All right, so let's just wait. I'll let you know when I get into a trade, and we'll see if we can hold it out. All right, hang tight, guys. Just waiting. This big red bar kind of give you a signal that it may be shooting back down, but still want to wait because you got this low here. Got this low right here. Get your little triangle. So you got the low here. And then you have this low, and now you kind of want to see if it's gonna break below these, right? Could be a little head and shoulders. So gotta wait a little bit. Maybe a nice long actually off of this red bar. This green bar. So let's see. Kind of want to pull back a little bit, but I would be okay taking this trade. Just need to pull back, hopefully, to this red line, which is a 20 moving average. I may take that trade, guys. It did pull back enough. I should have gotten down here. It was actually my bad, so it does take me out. It's actually my fault. I should have just waited, or got in down here. But let's see. Let's see if this is a trade that would have worked out either way. I like the green bar. And it's when I say green bar, it's a big full green bar, but it's also an outside green bar because it crushed this red bar, right? Just crushed it, swallowed the whole thing. And now I wanted to hit my first target. So let's see if that's what it wants to do. I do want to get at least break even. Probably a foolish thing to do, but I don't want it to just, I'm in the green. I don't want to lose in trade. So I'm going to give it some room to flourish and see how high he wants to go. Let's see. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's put my stop up a little bit under this green candle. So I'm all in for $6 right now. So let's see if it wants to go any higher and hit that first TP. Nope. All right, glad I put myself in that positive notion. So let's remove these. And of course, it probably still wants to spike up, but we'll take those with a grain of salt. Or it could drop back down. Right here, this black line is a previous close. It's hovering around there. This may be resistance. It can spike back down, or it can spike up. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll just wait around and see what's going to happen. Let's see what it wants to do. I like this approach down to the moving average, but I just don't know if it wants to stay down there. I like this trade, guys. Why did I take it? Came down to the support area, which is the 20 moving average. Gave me a red candle, which I play red candles on support. So I just want to see if this red candle is going to hold up, or I should have waited for the next red candle. It didn't quite hit the moving average, but let's just see if it can continue going upward, or if it's going to spike back down and start going to look for some shorts. So let's see. All right, let's see. The first trade was a success, right? And let's see if this one is going to reward us as well. We're going to be patient with this one. Got my hand on the close button now. Wow, what a drop. Oh yeah, it's probably gonna take me out. There we go. Nice drop though. All right, so this is probably the candle. I kind of want to hold on. It's showing a lot of resistance here, so we'll just see the next. Oh yeah, it's spiking. Hit the average, which is what I wanted. Probably should have waited on this candlestick to hit the average. But you know, patience is a virtue, guys. I didn't wait. Probably should have waited. And now I kind of like this trade and how it's setting up. So let's just see where it wants to go. I would love for it to hit my first target. Whoa. Not today. Put myself in break even at least. At bare minimum, I need to be at break even. I don't want to lose this trade and go down in red. So if it does come back down and hit it, I'm okay with that. I'm green, right? So I'm in it for $2. And let's see if it's going to hit my first target. Maybe not. It's coming down pretty hard. Yeah. Whew. Can't tell, man. You cannot tell what's going to happen next. You just got to go with the strategy that you've been practicing and see if it's going to work out. So right now we're going to hold off for a second. Let's just let this ranging slow down, and then we'll get back into a trade when something sets up. So I went ahead and took another long trade off of this pin bar here, which looked like it may just crush me. I'm not moving my stop. So yeah, I wasn't moving my stop on this one. I thought this pin bar was gonna hold. So I bought it when it pulled back a little bit, but yeah, nah, that didn't work out. So far we're just down 41.76 right now. So we'll see if we can make one more trade and see if we can have it work out. But right now, yeah, that trade didn't work. So yes, hang tight, guys. Oh, well, it's maybe another setup here. Let's see. Really ranging really bad. So, you know what? We'll hold on. We'll find something else. I was looking at this trade here soon as this turned green, but man, I missed it. I'm not going to lie. I think I blinked for like a couple seconds and it just dropped down. So, not a good trade for me. So we'll wait and see what it wants to do. Yeah, it's definitely give you more range vibes right here. Yeah, it's definitely ranging. So, you know, we'll actually wait. See if it's going to break out of this box. Then we'll see what happens. It definitely looked like it wanted to break out this box. So I went ahead and took a long trade, of course, off of this big bull bar. And then I got in prematurely because I wanted to get in when it pulled back, but I missed it. So if it hits the top of this box, that'd be a good thing. I'm going to let it stretch this next resistance area. So let's see if it wants to go up there or if it wants to get stopped by the previous close where it's at right now. But I'm going to let it, marinate, see if it can go higher the market may still want to push up. I mean, it's on a tier, right? So let's just see if it wants to continue to go higher. If it doesn't, I mean, it's my last trade. It takes me out here. I'm done, guys. I'm not trading anymore. But let's see if it wants to continue going up. Let's just see. I mean, I got my stop in place. I'm not moving my stop. And we're going to see if we can catch some change from the market. All right, so let's just see what's going to happen. I'm struggling. We see that the struggle is real for this the MNQ. But let's just see if it wants to, you know, kind of broke this highs here. It didn't close above it, but it broke it. So let's see if it's all right, guys. It's not playing around today. And so that's probably my cue. Let me see what I'm down to damage. 64.20, not bad. So we'll take the 64.20 with a loss, and we'll end that there. All right, guys. So not so good of a day today. All right, but I am using my discretion. It's not going to trade anymore and just be done for now until this leads get his life together and we live to trade another day. All right, guys, it's Forever I Trade. I'm going to post this video, and if you guys have any questions, or if you guys have any suggestions what I should have did, should not have done, or just like the video, all right, let's see what happens. All right, guys, thank you, man. I'll post this, and it's Forever I Trade.